Sagutan natin tong problems. Transform the following complex numbers in polar form or exponential form to rectangular form. Okay, so meron tayong mga complex numbers in polar form or exponential form. Iko-convert daw natin sila into rectangular form. So, by the way, meron na akong previous video of transforming complex numbers in rectangular form to polar form or exponential form. So, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, isilink ko lang sa description kasi related din naman yung topic na yan dito. Okay? So, ito yung gagamitin nating formula. Given polar forms or exponential form of complex number, so we have z equal to, ito yung mga polar form niya, equivalent sa r, cosine theta plus I sin theta, or simply r cis theta, equal to r angle theta, polar form ng z. Tapos yung equivalent exponential form naman is r e raised to I theta. Note yung theta dito is in radian. So para ma-transform natin yung complex number either in polar or exponential form, kailangan maging rectangular form siya na z is equal to x plus iy. Gagamitin lang natin yung formula na to for x. X yung real part. It is equivalent to r cosine theta. Y, yung imaginary part, it is equivalent to r sin theta. Okay? Tapos ipa-plug nyo na lang dito sa z is equal to x plus iy. Yan yung rectangular form ng complex numbers. Sige, for number 1, we have 5 cosine pi over 3 plus I sin pi over 3. So, naka-polar form siya na ganitong form. Therefore, yung r natin is yung 5. Tapos, yung theta natin is etong pi over 3. Right? So, para ma-transform into rectangular form na z is equal to x plus iy, hanapin natin yung x using the formula r cosine theta. So, we have 5 cosine theta pi over 3. So, gamit kayong calculator, make sure na naka-read yan. So, 5 cosine ng pi over 3. So, that's 5 halves. And then, yung y naman, y is equal to r sin theta. So, again, 5r sin theta uli na pi over 3. So, solve nyo using calculator, 5 sin pi over 3. We have 5 square root of 3 over 2. So, therefore, yung pinaka-complex number natin is 5 halves, which is the x, plus y, yung 5 square root of 3 over 2i. Okay. Next, number 2. 3 e raised to I pi over 4. So, naka-exponential form naman siya of this form. So, yung r, bale, is 3. Tapos, yung theta natin, ito, is pi over 4. Okay? So, therefore, x is same formula, r cosine theta. So, 3 is r, then cosine pi over 4. Tapos, yung y naman is r sin theta. So, 3 sin pi over 4. So, gamit tayong calcu. So, 3 sin pi over 4. Ito yung y. Okay, 3 square root of 2 over 2. Tapos, yung x naman, 3 cosine pi over 4. 3 square root of 2 over 2. So, pareho lang. Therefore, z natin is 3 square root of 2 over 2, siya yung x, plus y, 3 square root of 2 over 2i. Okay? Next, number 3. So, square root of 2, angle negative 7 over 6 pi. So, naka-polar form uli siya. Itong form na to, yung r angle theta. So, therefore, yung r natin is yung square root of 2. Tapos, yung theta natin is negative 7 over 6 pi. Again, kuhain natin yung x, r cosine theta. So, r square root of 2, cosine theta, negative 7 over 6 pi. Then, yung y naman is square root of 2, r sin theta. So, sine negative 7 over 6 pi. Again, gamit kayong calculus. Square root of 2 cosine negative 7 over 6 pi. So, ito yung x, negative square root of 6 over 2. Tapos, square root of 2 sine ng negative 7 over 6 pi ulit. Square root of 2 over 2. So, therefore, yung z natin in rectangular form, complex number is x negative square root of 6 over 2 plus iy. So, y is square root of 2 over 2i. Next, for number 4, 4e to the negative 2i. So, naka-exponential form kung saan yung r natin is 4. Tapos, yung theta natin is etong negative 2. In radian yan. Okay? Negative 2 radian. So, therefore, x is r cosine theta. So, r is 4. Then, sine of negative 2. Cosine. Then, y is 4. Sine theta, negative 2. So, gamit uling calculus. So, for x, we have 4 cosine of negative 2. Approximately negative 1.66. Tapos, for y, 4 sine negative 2, approximately negative 3.64. So, therefore, yung z natin is x, negative 1.66, then minus 3.64, siya yung y, times I. Okay, last for number 5, we have 2.5 cis 3 pi. So, naka-polar form siya. In this form, r cis theta. Therefore, yung r natin is 2.5. Yung theta natin is 3 pi. So, therefore, x, r cosine theta. So, r is 2.5. Cosine nung theta na 3 pi. Then, yung y is r sine theta, r ulit, 2.5, sine nung theta na 3 pi. So, using calculator, for x, we have 2.5 cosine 3 pi. So, negative 5 halves. And then, ito yung x. And then, yung y. So, 2.5 sine 3 pi, 0. Okay, 0. So, therefore, z natin is x, which is negative 5 halves, plus yi. So, y is 0 times I. Or dahil 0 ay yan, or 0, z na lang is negative 5 halves. So, purely real part lang, walang imaginary. Okay, sige. Try to convert naman itong complex number to rectangular form na given by z is equal to 2 square root of 3 cis 5 pi over 4. And just comment your answers.